Hello, and welcome to the virtual open house for the Green Island Habitat Restoration and Enhancement Project. I would like to thank you for taking time out of your day to join us. My name is Nicholas Thorson, and I work for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers as a plan formulator. I'll be narrating the presentation today. The purpose of this presentation is to provide background information for the ongoing Green Island study, as well as solicit input regarding restoration opportunities within the study area. The current study is part of the larger Upper Mississippi River Restoration Program, or UMRR. The goal of the UMRR program is to restore natural habitat along the Mississippi River that has been impacted over the past century. The program encompasses the Upper Mississippi River from the headwaters in Minnesota to southern Missouri. The Corps of Engineers collaborates with many federal, state, and local organizations to accomplish the restoration goals of the UMRR program. This map illustrates completed and ongoing restoration projects along the river. To date, over 100,000 acres have been restored as a result of the UMRR program. The Green Island Study Area is located in Jackson County, Iowa, south of the confluence of the Maquoketa and Mississippi River. The study area falls within the Green Island Wildlife Management Area, which is operated and maintained by the Iowa Department of Natural Resources. The study area includes more than 6,000 acres of important habitat for migratory birds, fish, bats, and small mammals. Important habitat types within the study area include freshwater marshes, backwaters, and floodplain forests. A multidisciplinary team comprised of representatives from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Iowa Department of Natural Resources, and U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service are actively evaluating restoration opportunities and potential restoration features within the Green Island Study area. To date, the Green Island Study team has identified several restoration objectives. These objectives include restoring the quality and diversity of vegetation within the study area, including aquatic and terrestrial vegetation, improving sediment management across the area to reduce the impacts of sedimentation to existing habitat and reduce the loss of storage capacity due to sedimentation. Restore Green Island's aquatic ecosystem for fish and other organisms by increasing the quantity and quality of aquatic habitat. Development of a water level management plan, which would allow for improved management of existing habitat and wildlife resources within Green Island. Restore bathymetric and topographic diversity within the Green Island project area. Now, this is where you come in. The study team needs your input on Green Island. If you live in the area surrounding Green Island, recreate at Green Island, or have an interest in the restoration of habitat along the Mississippi River, we would like to hear from you. At the end of the presentation, you will be provided with several options for submitting input and information for the study team to consider. In particular, the study team would like you to consider the following questions. How do you use Green Island? What does Green Island mean to you or to the local community? What is your vision for the restoration of Green Island? What changes have you witnessed through the time spent at Green Island? Do you have any insight or perspective on the critical restoration needs within the study area? Any input you can provide will aid the study team in refining restoration objectives and developing restoration measures. Thank you for your interest in the Green Island Habitat Restoration and Enhancement Project. If you would like to provide input through the Green Island Study team, 3 options are available. You can submit input online through an interactive mapping service, send an email, or send us written correspondence at the address provided. Thank you for taking the time to join us today, and we look forward to your input.